Okay, I'm sorry. That was my camera. It just automatically shut off after a long segment of recording. So, the last thing I mentioned was the voice UTs. It will create new commands to your Siri like reboot, power off, restart Springboard, and enter save mode. I haven't used it yet, but really, you can if you want to, but I normally do it manually. V wallpaper 2, which is this icon right here. I bet you wondering like how I get my wave crashing against my lock screen here, and then I have my clouds moving in the background for my home screen. Let me enter my passcode again. Okay, and sometimes when I move like this or when I touch the screen, you see a burst of the stars just happen like that, and this kind of fun, and that is all came from V wallpaper. There you go. Well, you can download a lot of video from here. There's a lot of video. Of course, as you click into different category, you'll see a bunch of video that you like. But since I already did that, I have a bunch of videos here. And all you have to do is just click on it and it will change. Of course, I think you do have to bring your phone to in order to have that feature. And there's a lot of things here. I have my magic fingers there. That's all I have on my V wallpaper, and it's of course is a must-have tweak. Winterboard. This is an awesome one to have. It will allow you to run themes. Like for example, right now, when I open it, you can see in the background I have a look like this one right here. These bars or these little squares. That because it's had been run on a theme, and so does my here when you try to enter the passcode. This had been color coded too. That's why it's had been run on a theme, just because I set it up that way. And same thing with the text here. I'll show you in a minute. Here, as you can see in the background of the text, it does show that there we go. It just show a little bit of the background. Okay, and let me go back to Winterboard. On my phone, I'm running in two themes. The first theme is called I'm sorry, not incomplete, but iComplete. It does allow different things, different background, also different icons here. But I didn't like that set of icons, so I use what it's called is the Geno Awesome or Awesome Icons, and the theme to it is the Awesome Theme Geno. And as you can see, like my Apple or my Cydia Apple Store or Cydia, it had a little cute icons there. And of course, I am selecting both there. Other thing that you can see here that I have my Siri buff. What it is let me show you. Whoops, I'm clicking 3 times. Hello. Okay, there's my Siri Buff. It will give a background wallpaper like this one. I have a fence with a angry bird right there with sky. It looks kind of nice and awesome versus a blank one. And of course, all you can do is you can download from Cydia, and all you have to do once you download it, you just go back to your Winterboard and then choose it. And of course, I think you do have to respring your iPhone. Last but not least, it's called Zypher. It will allow you to do multitasking. Let me open an app. Okay, as you can see right now, I can slide back and forth to different apps that I want. And other thing is, like, if I want to close this one out, I can click at the bottom and there you go, just slide to the top and it will exit out that app that I was on. Well, even though some of these features are quite awesome, but there is a downside to it. Sometimes your phone your phone springboard might crash, but don't worry, I got your back. What it is, like, you won't lose all the information, and of course, like, you won't mess up your iPhone. Let me explain a crash. A springboard crash has a couple degrees. A slide crash means that when you turn on an app and the phone is unable to load up the information, and it will go into the save mode right away. And let me show you an example of that one. Just bear with me and see if I can find that. Okay, here it is. This is how my phone was in a save mode. My phone just like crash, and there we go. It will pops up a message like that, but don't worry. For the slide crash, all you have to do that you just have to turn off your device and turn it back on again, and your phone will get out of the safe mode and get back to your setting. As you can see right here, my phone went back to the original mode, which is kind of boring. And note that right now I'm just having the a picture of the crash, which I had before. But don't worry, this the slide crash happens only very seldom. And